channel. So today I'm going to be showing you this really pink lovey-dovey Valentine's Day inspired look. So if you want to figure out how I got this look, please stay tuned for the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Hit the bell notification so you get notified anytime I post a video. Follow me on the gram, Twitter, Snapchat. I will leave that all right here, and I'll also leave it down in the description box below, and let's get started. Alright you guys, so this is try number 2. Try number 1 failed. I think I know what I did wrong. So, first thing that I'm going to do is I have this lipstick by LA Colors. It's like a hot pink color. It's in the color bright pink. The irony. It looks like this. So, as you can see, the brush is already the same color as this. It's because I tried this like 10 minutes ago and failed. So, hopefully we don't fail today. I'm going to just put this directly on my eye and try to blend it out. So I'm going to put like this much and just like blend it out, not too much, because I'm not trying to look crazy again. So today I'm going to be doing Valentine's Day look. I mean, you guys probably already know that because of the intro, but I'm still going to say it. I'm going to set this because I don't want it going all over the place again. So I'm just going to set that. It might tone down some of the pink. I don't care. On Wednesdays, we wear pink. Now, I'm going to use the Jaclyn Hill palette for the rest of this look. I'm going to go in with, I can't even see, this color right here. Just a wee little bit. Just to deepen up the eye look. And this is just on a Kylie fluffy brush. Sorry, you guys. Tell you guys in almost every video, I'm not a real YouTuber. I forget to say what type of brush I'm using and all that stuff. But yeah, I don't know if y'all could tell, but it just deepened up the look a little bit. I'm gonna go back over it with that brush that had that pinky color. I want this to be a really light, pretty, girly look. High key, not cutting the crease, just putting this on the lid. I have 3 colors to choose from, so I'm going to show you guys the 3 out of this palette that are Valentine-y to me. Be these top 3. Now out of all of them, the middle one screams pinky vibes to me the most, which would be these 3 right here. And I chose this one. So yeah, I'm going to use this one first. Then I'm going to go over it with this one, which is like a lighter pink. Using the other end of that brush, I'm going to go in with this brown color. I don't know if you guys can see that right here. Excuse me, because I don't want it to be too dark, but I do want to deepen up my corner. Then I'm going to go in with an angled brush just like this. I'm going to take some of that lip, put it right on there, and kind of just define that line a little bit. I'm going to take some of it off. Gonna go in with Cube from Subculture. Alright y'all, so now I'm gonna put on some mascara. I'm probably gonna use this mascara. Is LA Lash Defining Bold Lash Mascara. So I'm just put a quick coat of that on, put some lashes on. I will be back. Okay, y'all, and in case well, not in case, I know I did forget to mention, those are the Ardell 817 Wispy Lashes. So now I'm gonna go in with my foundation. Like I said, same crusty dusty foundation. It's the MONEYYY 2-in-1 foundation. It's in the color tan. Don't know why that took me so long. And yeah, I'm gonna put that all over my face. And y'all, because I'm lazy, I genuinely just don't feel like getting up. I'm gonna use this Sassy Plus Chip Moisturizing Foundation. Because I'm lazy. And it's in the color, it looked like this, okay? Just because, like I said, I'm lazy, I just don't feel like getting up to get my other bottle of that foundation, because that was the empty one. And yeah. Then I'm gonna go in with my Shape Tape Concealer, color Medium Santan, and conceal. Then I'm gonna take and go in with that angle brush that I used, and I'm gonna just put that pink right underneath my my eyelash line. Next, I'm gonna take and bronze the crap out of my face. And you know, I'm being serious because I'm using a big fan, and I'm just gonna go to town with bronze, like go to town. And this is MAC Whisper of Guilt. I think so. But I'm just going to town. You see your spit on my lip?
Yeah. Like I said, you're welcome.
Alright, y'all. Sorry, be sure to listen to back. Then, snatch my nose. Yeah, that's what we do. Then I need to blend it out because it's too much. I look like I can't breathe. Y'all, we only have 2 things left, which are my favorite 2 things. Highlight and lipstick. I'm gonna line my lips with this Copenhagen NYX liner. Why? Because I don't have any other lip liner. To brighten things up, I'm gonna use that lipstick I've been using this whole time. Into something. I'm using this LA Colors Liquid Shimmer Highlighter. I can't talk. And I'm gonna put it on top like it's a lip gloss. Y'all, I'm bugging. Then I'm gonna take and I'm gonna put some of that also on this little fan brush I have as the base highlighter that I'm gonna use. And then, yeah, we gotta figure out what highlight we want. Oh, this highlight is so pretty as is. Like, it's very natural looking in my opinion. But who likes natural highlight? Losers. MAC Whisper of Guilt. Okay. I don't know if y'all are ready. That's a highlight. Y'all, we need to set our face and then we're done. Alright, you guys, so this is it for the video. This is the finished look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell so that way you can get notified anytime I post. Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, all that good stuff. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!